Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on changing when an app returns to the clock on the Apple Watch Ultra 2. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Press the digital crown to open the app menu. Tap the Settings cog to open Settings. In Settings, select General. Scroll down the General settings and tap Return to Clock. Here you can choose between always, after 2 minutes, or after 1 hour. If you choose after 1 hour, the app will remain on the screen for 1 hour and then will return to the clock face. If you scroll down, you can customize the settings for individual apps. Choose an app and then tap Custom. Here you can choose between always, 2 minutes and 1 hour again. Under When in Session, you can choose to have the watch screen return to that app when in a session by having the toggle to the right of Return to App switched on. A session is considered something with a defined start and end, such as a workout, audio recording, or timer. If you leave the app while in a session, the watch screen will return to the app after the selected period of inactivity. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Apple Watch Ultra tips and tricks.